Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Robinhood Crypto transfers to external wallets, full guide step by step clearly. To set up Robinhood Crypto transfers to external wallets, start by opening the Robinhood app on your device. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Investing tab at the bottom of your screen. Locate the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer and tap on it. On the cryptocurrency page, look for the option labeled Trade and select it. From the Trade menu, select Transfer. Now, choose Transfer to another wallet. The app will prompt you to enter the external wallet address. Make sure you copy the address carefully to avoid any mistakes. Once you've entered the wallet address, review the transaction details for accuracy. After confirming that all information is correct, click on the Next button. You may be required to verify the transaction through a two-factor authentication method. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this verification process. After verification, you can proceed with the transfer. You will be shown an estimated time for the crypto to reach the external wallet. Once the transfer is initiated, keep track of the progress within the app. You can check the status of your transfer in the History section. If there are any issues, consult the support section for assistance. Your external wallet should receive the funds shortly after the transfer is complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more.